Quantum Dreams. In the serene village of Eldergrove, nestled between rolling hills and ancient forests, lived a young physicist named Alex Mercer. Eldergrove was far removed from the bustling cities and high-tech labs, a place where time seemed to slow down, allowing its residents to ponder the mysteries of the universe. Alex had returned to his childhood home after completing his PhD in quantum mechanics, hoping the tranquility would inspire new insights into his research. Alex's fascination with quantum mechanics had begun in his early teens, sparked by the enigmatic concepts of superposition and entanglement. These principles, which defied classical understanding, had captivated him. He often pondered how particles could exist in multiple states at once, or how two particles, separated by vast distances, could instantaneously affect each other. It was a realm where reality itself seemed malleable, governed by probabilities rather than certainties. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon and painted the sky with hues of orange and pink, Alex sat on the porch of his family's old cottage, gazing at the stars. He had set up his laptop on a small table, connected to a remote server where he ran complex simulations. The gentle rustling of leaves and the distant hoot of an owl provided a soothing backdrop to his work. As he reviewed the data from his latest experiment, Alex's thoughts drifted to the double-slit experiment, a classic demonstration of quantum mechanics. It showed how particles like electrons could behave both as particles and waves, depending on whether they were observed. The very act of measurement seemed to collapse their wave-like nature into a definite state. This paradoxical behavior had always intrigued him, hinting at deeper truths about the nature of reality. Just as Alex was about to delve deeper into his analysis, he heard a soft knock on the door. It was his childhood friend Clara, a biologist who had recently returned to Eldergrove after years of studying ecosystems in distant lands. Clara had always been a grounding presence in Alex's life, her practical and empathetic nature balancing his theoretical musings. "Hey, Alex," Clara greeted, a warm smile lighting up her face. "I saw the light on and thought I'd stop by. Mind if I join you?" "Of course, Clara. It's good to see you," Alex replied, gesturing to the empty chair beside him. As Clara settled in, they began to catch up, reminiscing about their shared childhood adventures and discussing their current pursuits. Clara listened intently as Alex explained his latest research, her eyes widening with curiosity. "So, you're telling me that particles can exist in multiple states at once and only decide on a definite state when observed?" Clara asked, her brow furrowed in thought. "Exactly," Alex nodded. "It's called superposition, and there's another phenomenon called entanglement, where two particles become linked and instantly affect each other, no matter how far apart they are." Clara leaned back, her mind racing with possibilities. "It's almost like magic, isn't it? The universe behaving in ways we can't fully comprehend." Alex smiled. "It does seem magical, but it's also incredibly real and fundamental to how our universe operates. Understanding these principles could lead to revolutionary advancements in technology and our grasp of reality itself." As they talked late into the night, Clara shared her experiences studying complex ecosystems, drawing parallels between the interconnectedness of nature and the entanglement of particles. Their conversation flowed effortlessly, blending their distinct fields of expertise and sparking new ideas. In the days that followed, Alex found himself inspired by his discussions with Clara. He began to explore the potential applications of quantum mechanics in biology, considering how principles like superposition and entanglement could influence biological processes. He wondered if life itself might harness these quantum phenomena, providing a bridge between the macroscopic world and the quantum realm. One afternoon, While hiking through the ancient forest that bordered Elder Grove, Alex and Clara stumbled upon an old, abandoned observatory. Its once grand dome was now overgrown with ivy, and the telescopes within lay covered in dust. Intrigued, they decided to explore the forgotten structure. Inside, they discovered stacks of old journals and research papers, remnants of a bygone era of astronomical study. As they sifted through the yellowed pages, Alex's eyes caught sight of a diagram that seemed oddly familiar. It depicted a complex array of particles and waves, annotated with notes in an elegant, flowing script. "Look at this, Clara," Alex said, holding up the fragile paper. "These notes are discussing quantum phenomena, but they date back over a century. It seems like someone here was ahead of their time." Clara peered over his shoulder, her curiosity piqued. Maybe they were onto something. Perhaps there's more to this observatory than we initially thought. Motivated by their discovery, Alex and Clara decided to restore the observatory, transforming it into a modern research facility. They enlisted the help of the villagers, who, intrigued by the duo's passion, eagerly contributed to the renovation efforts. Slowly, the observatory came back to life, its dome once again open to the heavens. As Alex resumed his research in the newly restored observatory, he found that the serene environment of Elder Grove, coupled with the collaborative spirit of the community, sparked a wave of creativity and innovation. He developed new experiments to test the boundaries of quantum mechanics, blending his theoretical knowledge with Clara's insights into biological systems. One evening, as they observed the night sky through the observatory's main telescope, Clara turned to Alex with a thoughtful expression. "Do you think there could be a way to directly observe quantum entanglement in living organisms? If life itself is interconnected at a quantum level, it could revolutionize our understanding of biology." Alex considered her question, the gears of his mind turning. "It's a fascinating idea, Clara. If we could design an experiment to detect quantum entanglement in biological systems, it would indeed be groundbreaking." Driven by this new goal, Alex and Clara embarked on a series of experiments, exploring the potential intersections of quantum mechanics and biology. Their work attracted attention from the scientific community, leading to collaborations with researchers from around the world. Months turned into years, and their efforts began to bear fruit. They discovered subtle hints of quantum entanglement in certain biological processes, suggesting that life might indeed operate at the quantum level. Their findings opened up new avenues of research, bridging the gap between physics and biology in unprecedented ways. As Alex looked back on his journey, he realized how far he had come since his early days of pondering quantum mysteries in the quiet village of Elder Grove. The collaboration with Clara had not only deepened his understanding of quantum mechanics, but also enriched his appreciation for the interconnectedness of all things. In the end, Alex learned that the true beauty of quantum mechanics lay not just in its theoretical elegance, but in its potential to reveal the hidden threads that wove the fabric of reality. Through their work, he and Clara had illuminated a small corner of the vast, mysterious tapestry of the universe, proving that even in the realm of the infinitely small, the possibilities were infinitely grand.